Welcome to the world of Bajaj Veco. Today we are here to introduce to you the Bajaj Veco galaxy of products, particularly our Chapati Maker. Chapati Maker is a unique product which is made of two stainless steel body, two tawas which are both non-stick, both have got elements and both have got thermostats which are embodied inside the element, keeping and regulating the temperature to make unique chapatis or khakras or paranthas or any such thing which is requiring roasting. In fact, this chapati maker is a portable tawa, it is a portable roasting machine, it is a portable tabletop tawa that can give you unique chapatis to your choice. See it in the front of the chapati maker. There is a light indicator which shows you that the chapati maker is ready. First, when you put this chapati maker on, you have to ensure that kindly read the instruction manual carefully. There is a warranty card supplied to you also. The power cable which is given along with the chapati maker is made of 6 ampere plug. Always ensure that the proper earthing is done before you put this to the power supply. The moment you put it to the power supply, the light will start burning. This light indicates that the chapati maker is started. Now you have to wait for 5 to 6 minutes for the chapati maker to become fully hot in order to take your chapatis or your dough. So kindly put the light on and leave it on for 5 to 6 minutes for getting hot. In the meantime, we will now introduce you to Mr. Joshi. Mr. Joshi is here. Hello, Mr. Joshi. Mr. Joshi is here to demonstrate to us the unique chapati maker and how it works. He has got the dough here ready. This is any ordinary atta that you can buy from the market. It has to be done the way you do your chapatis, and it should not be leftover atta from the previous day. Ideally, it should be done about half an hour or so before you start this operation. It should not be very wet, yet it should not be very soft or very dry also. You have to make small bowls of atta. छोटे से आटे का पेड़ा बनाइए और इसके ऊपर सूखा आटा भी लगाइए. And the unique part of this is that you have to leave these pedas for 5 to 7 minutes before you start putting it into the machine. The pedas should be made and they should be preserved before you put them directly to the machine. 5 to 7 minutes wait should be done. Only then they will be ready to go into the chapati maker. In the meantime, the chapati maker will be absolutely hot. The light will go off, indicating that it is ready now to take your chapatis. Cut. As you notice that the light of the indicator is now gone off. This means that the chapati maker is now burning hot and it is ready to take your bowls of atta. Joshi ji has already made the atta bowl, the peda. This is 1 inch by 1 inch peda of dough bowl, which can be now placed on the tawa. Kindly note that the atta should not be very wet. It should not be also pertaining to the previous day. Ideally, it can be any atta of the market, but it should be made into the bowl only 15 to 20 minutes before. It should not be stale atta. The water consistency should be soft so that the moisture is limited. It should not be very wet, yet It should not be very dry also. I'm sure you already know how to make the better chapatis on your ordinary tawa. This is the same procedure. Now you have to place the dough ball on the rear side center of the chapati maker machine. The moment you do that, you have to put the dough ball, close the upper lid and press it with the handle. The moment you have pressed it with the handle, the flattening has already been done. The chapati is being made into a beautiful round chapati already. Now you have to wait for 5 seconds only the first time. Mind you, first time 5 to 6 second wait and turn the chapati like Mr. Joshi did just now. Kindly wait for another 5 to 6 seconds, and after waiting for this time, you have to put the upper lid on the chapati. We are waiting for it to get brown. Now you have to put the upper lid back on the lower lid. Mind you, you don't have to press this time. Oh, look what happened. It has swollen up itself and it is coming out. It is becoming a bowl. It has just swollen up and become bowl. Now look at this. Is a brand new swelled up chapati, just like the way the granny made it in the house. This is the perfect chapati that you could make. Joshi ji, can we have one more chapati please? He is taking the dough ball, putting it in the center, pressing it and leaving it for 5 to 7 seconds. In this time, the flattening is already done. Now another 5 to 7 second waiting. After the waiting, we have to turn the chapati physically. After the waiting, again we have to wait after the turning 5 to 7 seconds again. In this time, the chapati surface is getting the necessary heat. Now we have to wait or count in your mind 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Joshi ji, by now this is ready. Now put the upper tawa, it swells up and again it swells up and comes out, slides out in its own. Believe you me, there is nobody inside. It is the technique of Bajaj Vaco chapati maker. The unique Bajaj Vaco chapati maker makes the fluffy, swollen chapatis in a minute. You want to try a papad? Joshi ji, can we have a papad? Yes. We place the urad dal papad and put the tawa one on top of the other. Mind you, the tawa is already hot. Now you have to turn it. This unique Bajaj Vaco chapati maker is a portable tawa. It is a portable baker. It is a portable roasting machine. Now Joshi ji has got the right tawa, right papad, crispy hot papad, ideal for anybody to taste. Now similarly, we could use this tawa to make paranthas, to make khakras, to make various types of papads, various types of the chapatis, various types of paranthas. Joshi ji, how do we make khakra, the popular Gujarati khakra, which is preserved and so fondly taken by all the Gujarati, or rather every community now? Khakra is nothing but a dough chapati papad. It is lesser in consistency. It is not swollen up. Although we don't have the khakra dough ready yet, but Joshi ji is explaining it to you with the normal atta. We take the atta, go in the same process as the chapati is. The only difference is that this time we don't have to wait for the chapati to swell up. We don't have to wait for it to go up. This time the kakra has to be pressed again and again and yet again, so that it becomes like a atta. It becomes like a atta papad. Kakra is nothing but a consistent atta papad. Now the catch is that this time you have to put little milk and add a little sugar and add a little oil of your choice to it, so that the ideal kakra is made. The kakra is there in a jiffy. It could be preserved for days together, and this is a very ideal bite, an internationally popular snack. The Joshiji's kakra is ready. Thank you. Okay. अब इसको बंद कर जैसे ऊपर ले जाओ. Now we want to show you the world of Bajaj Weco. We welcome you to visit us at www.bajajweco.com. Ours is a 60-year-old company which started somewhere in 1948. Yes, 1948. This is amongst the largest and the most oldest companies of home appliances. We have to our honor not only the unique distinction of introducing to you the best products in electrical appliances and kitchenware today, but we also have the honor and unique distinction of having introduced a lot of appliances for the first time in the country. Yes, we introduced the first mixer, the first automatic toaster, the first geyser. All these were done on the platform of our over 60 years old company. Visit us at www.bajajweco.com.